Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk. Today, we're delving into a topic that has the power to transform our lives: identifying and challenging cognitive distortions. We all have these sneaky thoughts that can cloud our minds and hold us back from reaching our full potential. But fear not, because we're going to learn how to identify and challenge these cognitive distortions together. Are you ready? Let's dive. 1. Understanding cognitive distortions. First things first, let's understand what cognitive distortions are. These are negative thinking patterns that can trick our minds into believing things that aren't entirely true. They affect how we perceive ourselves, others, and the world around us. The tricky part is that these distortions often feel real and accurate, but they're just illusions clouding our judgment. 2. Common cognitive distortions. Now, let's explore some common cognitive distortions that many of us experience. These may include black and white thinking, where we see things as either all good or all bad; catastrophizing, where we expect the worst possible outcome; and personalization, where we blame ourselves for things beyond our control. Recognizing these distortions is the first step in freeing ourselves from their grip. 3. The impact of cognitive distortions. Cognitive distortions can have a profound impact on our lives. They can lead to anxiety, depression, and hinder our personal growth. But the good news is that we have the power to challenge and change these patterns. It's time to take back control of our minds and thoughts. 4. Identifying your cognitive distortions. To challenge cognitive distortions, we must first become detectives of our own minds. Start by paying attention to your thoughts and feelings throughout the day. Notice the patterns and the triggers that lead to negative thinking. This self-awareness is the key to identifying the specific cognitive distortions you tend to fall into. 5. Challenging and reframing thoughts. Once you've identified your cognitive distortions, it's time to challenge and reframe those thoughts. Ask yourself, is this thought based on facts or assumptions? What evidence do I have for and against this thought? By questioning the validity of our negative thoughts, we can gradually weaken their hold on us. 6. Practicing self-compassion. Remember, this journey of challenging cognitive distortions requires self-compassion. Don't be too hard on yourself if you find it difficult at first. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a dear friend going through a tough time. As we wrap up today's episode, I want to remind you that you have the power to change the way you think and transform your life. By identifying and challenging cognitive distortions, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities and inner peace. If you found this pep talk helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Let's spread the power of positive thinking and self-awareness. Until next time, remember that you are capable, you are worthy, and you are loved. This is PepTalk SelfTalk, signing off.